And if you can't get down and dirty to build homes o kaya naman wala kayong oras para magpunta at mag-volunteer ng inyong mga oras, pero gusto nyo pa rin makatulong, naku, pwede pa rin po. All you need to do is shop here and look for products made at the different GK or Gawad Kalinga communities. Remember, I know it's not very difficult for you because not a lot of people actually love to shop, but when you shop here, you're actually helping sustain the communities and you're helping boost Philippine economy. Cecile, tell us about Geekonomics. Ipakilala mo siya sa amin. What is it?
Geekonomics is a partner of Gawad Kalinga in social enterprise development. It develops products from, hopefully, the plan is to have it in all the villages, which is 2,000 villages. But right now, we're only in 48 villages, but that's only after 2 years of operations.
And what's special about it is you're helping the villagers have their own jobs, right? You're building jobs for the poor.
Yes, we are hoping to provide them with sustainable livelihood so that they can stay in the villages where they are.
Yeah, speaking of keeping and staying and moving, you also just recently moved back. You used to be based in New York. Why is that?
Oh, I was in New York for 15 years. We have wine shops there. And I just moved back because it's time to give back. I thought there's a time for everything and it was the right time to go back.
And speaking of giving back, you know what? They have a lot of wonderful products here that you can give, especially for as presents for relatives, friends, and all that. Let's start with this bag. Very interesting. What is it made of?
This is made from what we call doy packs. These are recycled. Zesto is a very popular drink in the Philippines, but these are not used. So these prints, and they're woven in our community in Las Piñas, that's in Sunshineville, and this is already all over the world. It's in Singapore, in Hawaii, in Paris.
Let's talk about the candles. Cute candles also, a lot of us, yeah.
Yes, this is like $6. And these candles have a good story behind it because we have shipped a container load, a small container load of this. They have bought their own lot and they have established a school.
When you say they, who are they and where?
These are the beneficiaries, the villagers themselves. It's in Freedomville in Santa Rosa, Laguna.
Wow, okay. And finally, these ones are also very interesting.
Yes, this is from Negros. It's made of pandan, which is leaf that is produced in the Philippines. And they've also been able to have a school established from the livelihood of this.
Wow, wonderful. And something like this would cost like?
It's like $10 also. It's like $8 to $10 all the products here.
And now,
very affordable.
Now, where are these available? Do we have to go to the Philippines to buy these?
They're available in retail stores. Some of these are available in SM, Cultura, but they're available online at geekonomics.com.
Okay, so look at these bags, very colorful, and they're lightweight as well. And guess what? Each bag has a story because these are made by?
These are made by the women in the city jail of Davao City. We have a GK village inside the city jail, and this is one of their livelihood.
You know, that's inspiring. How long has this been in operation?
Actually, it started only 2 years ago. Gawad Kalinga had a village inside. We were thinking about a livelihood for them. And this came about, and beneficiaries were actually trained to do these things. Their livelihood is actually even help their families outside.
And I think you're also transforming them by giving them something to do, by giving them something that they can do, that they can be proud of. Saan nanggaling yung mga materials for the person?
The materials for this particular purses came from the cooperative inside the jail. So it's the inmates because they also have a cooperative wherein they get this, the straw, and then they sew it, and then we pay them for the labor.
So where do you get the designs, the color combinations? How do you get inspiration for the designs?
Usually, it's really the inmates. These are all made by them. This is like a bag I had, and then I let them copy it because they're really very good at crocheting. So you just show them something, and then they will execute.
Where are these available for kababayans in the States? They're watching now and they want to get. Is this available online or?
Online through Geekonomics.
Let's talk about Sausawan ni Juan. What is it about?
Well, it's really about, it's a social enterprise. Basically, that produces condiments, locally produced condiments here, and hopefully in the future we can produce international condiments as well. Yeah.
That's very interesting. Tell us about some of your products.
Well, actually, the one that you're holding right now is the bagoong. So it's a shrimp paste. Here, what you're holding is one of our bestseller, the pesto.
How would people use this? Bagoong na pesto flavored bagoong.
Yeah, well, for most of the Filipinos, they mix their bagoongs with their rice. Ganyan. Since they're very adventurous in terms of like sa pagkain. So they mix it with their rice. And sometimes in kare-kare, diba? So with the pesto, it's actually more interesting and they can actually explore more.
This one is hot na hot kasi it's called Sili Express.
Yeah, it's Sili Express. Actually, it's one of the hottest that you can avail in the country. No, because the reason why we came up with this idea is because when we were browsing the market, there was nothing to satisfy basically our palate. So we thought of why not come up with something that a bit parang hotter. And because of Gawad Kalinga at CSI program, no, and with the help of Enchanted Farm also, nabigyan kami ng break. So now we have the network of Bayanis, or the network of heroes in Gawad Kalinga who patronize this.
At saan naman available tong mga to? Let's say for kababayans in the States, is this available online?
Well, we are actually online. You can visit us at Sili Express in Facebook. But for most of the time, we are available during Sunday markets and here in Enchanted Farm, because we really want to support the very vision of the Enchanted Farm by really creating economic activities in this area.